bests under 300. While mechanical keyboards have seen rising demand for their tactile precision and durability, backyard chefs are embracing a similar renaissance in affordable, high-performance smokers. As smoking becomes more popular for barbecue lovers, finding a quality smoker under $300 is crucial. This guide evaluates top-rated smokers based on cooking performance, temperature control, build quality, smart features. List number: Brisket Zelos 450 Electric Wood Pellet Smoker Grill, AI Smart Barbecue Grill with Wi-Fi, 7-in-1 Outdoor Grill. The Brisket Zelos 450 stands out with its fusion of technology and barbecue tradition, all at an affordable price. This electric wood pellet smoker offers Wi-Fi connectivity and AI-assisted cooking, making it a smart pick for tech-savvy grillers. With a 7-in-1 functionality, it lets you smoke, grill, roast, braise, bake, barbecue, and sear, all with precision. The temperature control is responsive and consistent, allowing you to set it and forget it while the smoker handles the rest. It's compact yet efficient, 450 square inches.
List Master-built 30-inch digital electric vertical barbecue smoker
With leg kit, side wood chip loader, and 710 cooking.
The Master-built 30-inch digital electric smoker delivers premium smoking performance without the premium price tag. With a spacious 710 square inches of cooking space, it can easily accommodate multiple racks of ribs or large poultry. The digital control panel lets you set the temperature and timer with precision. And the side wood chip loader means you can refill chips without opening the door, minimizing heat loss.
List number 3. Damas Grill's HWPG 456C Electric Wood Pellet Smoker Grill, 456 SQI and Cook Area Pellet Grill with Auto. The Damas HWPG 456C Pellet Grill offers a sleek, budget-friendly entry into wood pellet smoking. With a 456 square inches cooking area, it's ideal for backyard smoking sessions and small gatherings. The automatic pellet feed system and built-in temperature controller ensure hands-free operation, delivering even heat and rich smoky flavor. It heats up quickly, and the grease drip system makes cleanup surprisingly easy. List number: East Oak 30 inches electric smoker for outdoors, built-in meat probe, and up to 6 times longer smokes. The East Oak 30 inches electric smoker is an efficient and user-friendly unit designed for long, uninterrupted smoking sessions. Its standout feature is the built-in meat probe, which offers precise internal temperature tracking without having to open the door. Designed for extended smokes, it provides up to 6 times longer smoke times, reducing the need for constant refueling. Its adjustable rack system lets you customize the layout depending on what you. List 5. East Oak Ridgewood Pro 30-inch electric smoker, built-in meat probe and elevated stand for outdoor. The East Oak Ridgewood Pro is a thoughtfully designed electric smoker that provides excellent value and ease of use. Featuring a built-in meat probe and elevated stand, this smoker emphasizes convenience and ergonomic design. The elevated position makes loading and unloading easier, while the vertical format maximizes smoking capacity without taking up too much patio space. It features a tight ceiling door and quality insulation to maintain even smoking temperatures throughout the cooking process.